Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can enable Incognito Mode in the 4 most popular browsers in the Thomson tablet TOA 13P. So the first one, Firefox. This is the quickest way, just tap on the zero mask. That's it. If the background is purple, that means you are in the Incognito Mode. The next one, Microsoft Edge. Tap on the three-dot icon and choose New in Private tab. Now the Opera. Click on the tab icon, switch to Private and click on the red plus. That's it. And the last one, Google Chrome. Click on the three-dot icon and choose New Incognito tab. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.